This class, I'm going to show you an important concept on how to open a document in a Microsoft Word. This is different from Google Docs, so you need to understand the difference between the two. This is going to be a pretty complex video, so you need to pay close attention. If you need to, pause me in the middle of it, rewind, and go over it again. But we're going to go from the beginning here. So every student has an Office 365 account. An Office 365 account is Microsoft products. Those are the products that use Word or PowerPoint or Excel and not Google Docs, right? So it doesn't use Google Docs or Google Sheets. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open our Google Drive in our course room here, just on our homepage, not going into a course room. Google Drive is here on the right, and you can click on that and Google Drive loads, right? So this is my Google Drive. You'll load your own Google Drive, so you may have your own folders or whatnot. But I wanted to go ahead and launch that. We're going to keep moving. Then what I want to do is I want to go find my Microsoft account. So to find my Microsoft account, I go to this place, the eResource. eResource is an excellent place for not only Office documents, just basic information. So I'm going to click on eResource. It opens a window. I'm going to hit the Control and F key together, and I'm going to search the word Office. So instead of scrolling through to try to find what I need to find, it'll take me to all the Control F is find, all the items with Office. I click on the Office and 365. Since you have a Chromebook, you can't use Office 2013. That's the installed version. You have to use the Office 365, which is the cloud version, right? It's just hosted in the internet. You're going to click on this site here. That area that we just left has the instructions on how you sign in and what to use. You basically use your student account, right? And mine's different, so you'll use something similar. So dot. It depends on when you joined. You might have an Anacora account or a different one. But basically, this will happen here. ADFS stands for Active Directory Federation Services. So it's just basically a way to link into the server that's on the school premise and not off. It'll let you stay signed in or not. I just do know so that there's no security risks, but that's up to you. So now I'm in my Office 365 account. This is my Word document. So I can create a new Word document by clicking here. A lot of times I recommend that you type your discussion in Word and then conduct a spell check before you copy and paste it to the discussion board, which you've learned how to copy and paste. But what I want to do is I want to go back to the course room. I'm going to go to lesson 3 where you actually have to type in Word, right? Not in Google Docs, but in Word. So when I click here, I go to the project. It has me download the project, right? As soon as I click this download the project, the instructions or the Word content, it automatically saves to my Google Drive, right? So here, I'm in my Google Drive, and if I open this document, it'll open up in a Google Docs, okay? That is different from Word, and it shows different. So when I open it up and I try to follow the extensions, I can't do the same thing in the assignment. So what I need to do here is I need to drag this document from my Google Drive to my OneDrive. Okay, so we're going to go back to our Office 365. We're going to open up our OneDrive. And what I do here is I minimize the page. And I take this and I just drag it out. So I take this tab and I click and drag it out and put it over here to the left until I see that snap. My Google Drive, I'm holding down the mouse and I'm dragging it to the right. So now what I can do, and I could, this page in the middle, I could just minimize. It's kind of in the way. I could take this project and I can click and drag it over to my OneDrive so that now I can open that up. I could also click upload here if I wanted to do that, but I already have it. So let me see if I could delete that. So Actually, just give me 1 second here. We're going to go ahead and remove that so you can actually see it drag over. So I select it, delete it, and it's delayed. So anyway, we'll keep going. I just drag it over to my OneDrive. From doing that drag to my OneDrive, I'm able to double click this and open up the document, and the document opens in Microsoft Word. So there's a difference. You'll have different toolbars, different settings, and that's important for the assignment. You're going to have to do the things that are on this toolbar versus the Google Docs toolbar. It's a completely different item. So make sure you know how to open something in Word. That's very important for the course. I drug it over. Maybe you can also upload it. You can upload a file. Again, it'll over here. You'll always see that option for your Google Drive, and you could find it and upload it from your Google Drive if it didn't work the way that I did with the drag and drop. So I uploaded it from my Google Drive. Okay. All right. That's it for this Chromebook tip. Thank you all.